Okay, so let's try the next coding exercise. So open the leetcode.com and go to the problems tab. And in the search question, so there is a question number 1047 and hit enter. So we have the question remove all adjacent duplicates in string and it's under the easy category. So click on it. So let's read the question. Remove all adjacent duplicates in string. You are given a string as so one string is given. So in the function itself, so we are passing some string consisting of a lowercase English letter. So let's suppose these are all are of lowercase. A duplicate removal consists of choosing two adjacent and equal letters and removing them. We repeatedly make duplicate removals on S until we no longer can. Return the final string after all such duplicate removals have been made. It can be proven that the answer is unique. So what they are saying is, so wherever you find the duplicates, the adjacent duplicate, and those are like adjacent mean like side by side, then you have to just remove those. So as an example, in this string a b b a c a, so if we just traverse from starting a then b then b, so b and b both are duplicate. So first a b b a c will become b b a duplicate, so we will remove both b b, then it will become a c a, then AA also duplicate. We are going to remove AA. Then it will only become CA. So the answer is CA. So similarly, in this AZXXZY. So AZX So both X are same and these are adjacent. So these are duplicates. So we are going to remove. So if you remove double X, then the remaining string will be AZZY. Then ZZ will be together and both are same, so both are duplicate, adjacent duplicate. So we are going to remove ZZ as well, so the remaining string is AY, so we are going to return AY. So we have to solve this question. So how we are going to solve this question? So we are going to solve this question using the stack. So what we will do is like very easy. So we will start traversing the string from starting to end. Right, so you can say either for loop or a while loop. So we are traversing the string. So what we will do, we will pick a, right? So not a, basically the first element we are going to insert into it. So as an example, so let's suppose we are picking a, so we put here a. Okay, after that we will go to the second element b. Before inserting into the stack, we will check whether the last element of the stack is equal to this element. If it is equal to this element, then we are not going to insert. Also, we are going to remove the element from the stack. So B and A both are not same. So we are going to insert B. So B is here, right? Now, next B. So before inserting into the stack, we will check the last element. So right now, last element is this. So B and B both are same. So we are going to remove B. So has been removed. So only A left. So now A. So before inserting A, we are going to check. So last element is A. So basically top element from the stack. So A. So A and A are same. So we don't insert A, and even though we will remove A. So now stack is empty. So now C. So C is not there. So so C we will insert C. Now A. So before inserting A, we will check the last element. Last element is C. So both are not same. So we are going to insert A. So the answer is uh, so in the stack in our list, or you can say stack, we have C and then A. So but these are in a list, or you can say in a stack. So what we can do is, because we need to return the string, we don't need to return the list. We can just like make it a string by using the join operator. So let's try to solve the via code. So what we have to do is, we need to run a loop from starting to end. So for character in S. So, and before that, we will take some extra space, that is a stack. or you can say the list. Okay. Now for character in S. So first is A. So what we will do is, like when we insert B, what we are doing is we are checking B with the last element in the stack. If both are same, then we are going to remove, otherwise we are going to append. So if length of stack is greater than 0, this is like why we did this, just to, because like before popping the element, otherwise we will get the index error. There is no element into the stack, that's why we are doing this. So if length of stack is greater than 0 and stack of -1, that is the last element, equal to char. So as an example, in the starting we have A in the stack and then B. So before inserting this B, what we are doing is we are checking the last element of the stack. Last element of the stack is B, is equal to the char, is equal to the character, means this element B. Yes, it is equal to character. Then what we have to do, we will remove stack dot pop. Else what we will do, we are just going to append the char, right? And what we have to return, because this, after all the operation, we will get a list. So what we have to return, we are going to return dot join stack all the elements. So let's try to run it. So our sample case has been accepted. Let's try to submit. So our solution has been accepted. Right. So this is like a easy question. So you can also try that. So thank you.